Darren Hamilton. Darren, let me say a pleasant good morning to you.
Good morning, Hammer, and good morning to everyone,
Everyone's here.
that is on the air listening to
Yes,
this. And
and
thank you for being here.
yes, and just to inform listeners and viewers that we have been joined. Also, we are embedded with this unit, and you have the Anguillan newspaper. You have Lloyd Gums of Lloyd Gums Live. He's here, and KCN, Mr. Pickering, is also in the building as well. We're all here today with this FIM month being brought to you by the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank. Mr. Hamilton, we are at our Bank, Republic Bank EC Limited here in Anguilla, and the part of this roadshow today. Let's speak a bit about our bank and what it provides to our people here in Anguilla.
Well, Hammer, thank you again for being here.
Mm-hmm.
And I will just start off with our vision.
Mm-hmm.
It says Republic Financial Holdings Limited, the Caribbean financial institution of choice for our staff, customers, and shareholders. We set the standard of excellence in customer satisfaction, employee engagement, social responsibility, and shareholder value while building successful societies. I also want to say our mission is to provide personalized, efficient, and competitively priced financial services and to implement sound policies which will redound to the benefit of our customers, staff, shareholders, and the communities we serve.
Indeed, and that's a very powerful mission statement for the bank.
Definitely.
Now, let's speak a bit about the services you offer here at the bank. I know that it's a bank, so you offer what, loans, you tell me
Of course, we
the full
offer
suite of financial products.
definitely we offer anything that you want.
Yes.
We offer, of course, deposit accounts for juniors, of
Mhm.
course, for those who have not reached the age of 18 as yet,
Mhm.
who want to, parents who want to come and facilitate an account for their children, for their future,
Mhm.
we have those type of accounts.
Mhm.
We also have, of course, the best credit cards on island, I can tell you that.
Okay.
We have the Advantage card and also the Gold card. Both are benefit rewards cards.
Mhm.
We have, of course, your occasional personal loan, where we do small loans, unsecured loans, mortgages, of course, with the best rates on island. I must
Mhm.
say,
Okay.
anything, and of course, investment services. And on the
Mhm.
business side, I apologize, my Alia Bailey, who's
Mhm.
our business banking officer. She's out today. She's unavailable. She wasn't able to make it here today. But we do offer loans on the business side, corporate,
Mhm.
commercial, and I guess when we get another opportunity, we'll be able to expound more in that area for commercial and business deals. But for now, we can I'm here to
Yes.
to represent on behalf of the personal banking department.
And your job title description here,
I
your
am
service.
the personal banking manager of
Mhm.
Public Bank
Okay. You mentioned the cards a while ago there, and you boasted a while ago the best
Oh,
cards in Anguilla.
of
Let's speak
course.
a bit about that though, because I mean, cards are everything right now. I mean, cash is king, yes, but cards are fast becoming king like too.
Of course.
A bit about the cards. And,
Okay,
yeah.
so we have two main cards that I consider our best sellers,
Mhm.
which is the A Advantage credit card,
Mhm.
and you have the Gold credit card. Now, to break down the benefits between the two, the A Advantage card, it's a travel rewards card. So for every dollar, you get an air mile
Mhm.
with American Airlines. And these, of course, these points, these miles, is not only for one airline company. It is for a vast variety of airline companies
Mhm.
that partner with American Airline points,
Mhm.
and that you can use these points to purchase, of course, travel.
Mhm.
And I know that various car rentals and hotels overseas do accept these points, and you gain discounts and whatnot with these points. So, when customers bank with us and they get a credit card with us, it's not just a credit card; it's a credit card for life.
Oh, for
It's a
that.
credit card,
Mhm.
and of course, the benefits are the greatest. The Gold card
Mhm.
is a cashback rewards card. So, if for those who may not be interested in
Cashback,
the
cashback.
cashback,
What does that mean? Cashback.
you get the cashback in your pocket.
Oh,
Of course.
okay.
So basically, what
Mhm.
happens for how this works? It's a we call it the 3-2-1 rule. So
Mhm.
it's you get 3% cash back on your purchases at grocery stores,
Mhm.
supermarkets, 2% cash back on pharmaceuticals, and pharmacies,
Mhm.
and 1% cash back everywhere else. Your tickets for anything else that you buy, you
Mhm.
get 1% cash back. So every year, annually, the more you spend on your card, the more benefits you gain, and you get that cash back paid back to your account once a year. And let me teach you, a lot
Mm-hmm.
of people don't know this, and I
Mm-hmm.
think I'm going to take the opportunity to do this.
Mm-hmm.
A feature built into our cards before, a lot of people talk about interest and
Mm-hmm.
interest rates and how interest impacts them and stuff like that in terms of credit cards.
Mm-hmm.
You generate no interest whatsoever for the first 50 days of your purchase. So, for example, if you spend $100 today and you, let's say, pay back that $100
Mm-hmm.
before 50 days has passed, you generate no interest whatsoever.
No interest at
And I
all.
want to
Mm-hmm.
pinpoint that
Mm-hmm.
because that's a very, very good feature. People
Mm-hmm.
don't have to pay the bank. So it's
Interest,
basically
yeah.
you get benefits for using the card,
Mm-hmm.
and if you pay back for your purchases before 50 days, there's no interest
Interest at
charge
all. Wow.
at
So
all.
if I purchase, let's say, this unit here now, and I pay for it within 50 days, no interest at all.
No interest at
I
all.
just paid back.
You just pay back. That's
Oh
it. And
wow, a free feature on
if
the
it's a
card too.
travel rewards card, you get
Yes,
the mileage.
the mileage too.
Of course, you get the cash back
So
with
there are
the
big
gold card.
benefits to have that gold
Big
card. Yeah.
benefits. So we
Okay.
pay you to
Mhm.
bank with us.
The bank with it. Okay. Now, how can I get those cards? Now, just those viewers, I'm sure persons are looking on right now and might be not might be would be interested in knowing how to get those
Definitely.
cards.
It's very
How do you
easy.
get those
It's
cards?
very, very, very easy.
Mm-hmm.
There is
Mm-hmm.
you can come into the branch and you can speak with any one of our representatives.
Mm-hmm.
Basically, the required documents are very easy, which is proof of address, proof of income,
Mm-hmm.
and your identification. Of course, proof of whatever liabilities
Mhm.
that you have, and then we'll put the application on the system. It takes about 2 to 3 weeks, on
Mm-hmm.
average, for you to complete, and that's card in hand. And it's a very simple process. You come in and speak to any one of our representatives, or you can send us an email. We'll definitely be here to assist you.
So if I have my Republic Bank Gold card or my other card, I can do all the good things. I can go away shopping sprees. I can take the
Oh,
vacation. I can
definitely.
do all these things. Huh?
Internationally,
Yeah.
everywhere, anywhere,
And the best
anytime.
rates, you said the best rates are available as well.
Best rates on the island,
Yeah.
of course,
Mhm.
definitely.
So what's the rate of the card? What's the rate?
No,
Idea.
but our
Yeah.
rate is 22%.
Yes. Uh-huh.
And very low.
Yeah. Okay.
And that's the rates for both cards, the Gold
Mm-hmm.
and the Advantage card,
Okay.
which is the lowest on the island.
Oh, wow. And they're available here at Republic Bank, right?
Definitely.
Okay. Now, in terms of loans, now that's the next thing too. People want loans. I know that those everywhere. But what makes a Republic Bank loan so special?
Listen,
Mhm.
I want to tease you a bit here.
Uh-huh.
We have a campaign that is soon to launch.
Uh-huh.
It's coming in November. I'm gonna give you a little. I'm gonna
Hmm.
give you the. It's make your Christmas magical, right?
Oh,
And it's gonna come
make
with some
your Christmas
very
magical.
yes,
Okay.
and it's gonna come with some very, very low rates. I don't want to spill the beans as yet.
Mm-hmm.
You definitely, how are you gonna know?
Yeah, yeah.
Trust me, we're gonna reach out to
I'll
you.
get
We're
it.
gonna
I'll
share
get it.
this.
Yeah.
But I don't want to spill the beans as yet. But we're gonna have some very, very low rates
Mhm.
for our customers for this season, for this Christmas season, and for loans. I mean,
Mhm.
it's easy to, of course, the same process to get a
Mhm.
loan, same documents, your identification, proof of address, proof of
Mhm.
income. You bring
Yeah.
that into us, and
Yeah.
then we will definitely assist
Work
you
from
with
there.
you achieving
Mhm.
your goals.
Mhm. All right. So you mentioned that big loan promos coming up in a while here. So you can buy a new vehicle.
Of
You
course.
can paint the home.
Oh,
You can
definitely.
buy new curtains.
Of
You can go on a
course.
shopping spree as
I
well for Christmas.
definitely go
Uh-huh.
by Best Buy and shop the whole of Best Buy down.
Yeah, shop that down for sure. All right. And the rates on loans here, I believe, are competitive as well. Very
Yes,
competitive rates.
definitely. Very competitive.
As well.
Very
Okay.
competitive.
And for the business people, what do you offer for business persons? I know that correspondent banking has been an issue for a long time. Has been around here.
Mhm.
At Republic Bank, I believe that's not the issue.
Of course,
you know.
we have
Yeah.
we have the international reach, of course.
Mm-hmm.
We're a regional bank, and we do have those
Mm-hmm.
benefits of reaching customers internationally and transacting very easily for our business customers. We
Mm-hmm.
do have our online banking platform, which is one of the, I consider, the best online banking platform for the region.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not just even saying Angola, I'm saying for the region. It's very user friendly. The features that comes along with this online banking platform, you don't have to come into bank to do a wire transfer. You can do
No.
that online,
Online.
at home, at
Right.
your fingertips. You can do it on your phone. So that is something that we have implemented. We are very big on innovation and technology,
Mm-hmm.
and we continue to enhance our features in that area. Let me tell you, Hammer, we
Mm-hmm.
have a lot of things that is going to be coming soon. I really I can't spill the beans, Hammer. There's a
Hey,
lot of technological
things are coming. Things are
advancements
coming up.
that is coming soon, and
Mm-hmm.
trust me, when this is launched, trust me, it will blow your mind.
So business Anguilla, I mean, again, the benefits of business people working with Republic Bank. I know we have banks everywhere, and business people want access to be able to wire money out of there.
Mhm.
We want access to those overdraft facilities. Tell me a bit about the benefits of doing business with Republic Bank as a business person.
Well, of course, Emma,
Yeah.
all those benefits are available. All
Mm-hmm.
those features they are there.
Mm-hmm.
You can do your banking online. You
Mm-hmm.
don't have to pay your staff members. You don't have to come to the branch to pay your staff members. Drop off a check to pay your staff members. You can do that online. If you have staff, you have them open an account with us, and then you go onto your business banking platform and pay your salaries
Mm-hmm.
online. You don't have to come to the branch. You do your
Transfers,
wire
eh?
transfers
Yeah.
online. You come and you get an overdraft with us. You
Mm-hmm.
have all the benefits and all the features available on the business side. I'm
Mm-hmm.
not gonna go too much in detail.
No.
I will definitely save that for I guess we can take
Mm-hmm.
that on another session
Yeah. No.
where we can go in depth in more on
Mm-hmm.
business. It would be unfair for me to go too much in
No.
depth.
No. Don't.
But I will definitely we can look at the possibility of setting up a date so that we can go into more detail in regards to
Yes, yes.
business
Today's
facilities.
about us just showcasing on what's available here at the bank and what you offer. We can understand what is available at the Republic Bank
Definitely,
here for sure.
definitely.
And of course, you're more than that. You also have community initiatives as well. I know that there's one in particular that you last year launched. Last year it was
Y-
where
y-
they were helping persons to set up little businesses as well. The
Definitely.
incubator program it was.
Right.
Yeah.
So we are looking to do an official release soon.
Mm-hmm.
I don't want to be too premature, but
Mm-hmm.
we would have partnered with the Rotary Club of Anguilla
Mm-hmm.
last year
Mm-hmm.
in respect to the gazebo project at the
Mm-hmm.
hospital. Like I said, I'm not going to go too much in detail
Mm-hmm.
because there's plans in place to
Mm-hmm.
do a launch on that.
Mm-hmm.
So that is coming. We do have new partners this year
Mm-hmm.
that we would have signed off with. So
Yes.
more information is going to come in response to the Power to Make a Difference program.
That
So
program,
yes,
that's the one I
yes,
spoke
yes,
about. That
yes,
program is one where they were inviting applications, Mr. Perkin and Lloyd and McGuillan
yes,
from persons across the region, and they were funding little ambitious projects. If you
yes.
had a project that was well documented, they were funding the project. I forget up to the tune of how many, but
Yes,
but it
yes,
was
yes.
a great program.
Yes, definitely great program. So
Uh,
we would have partnered with,
uh,
just to name a few, Rotary Club of Anguilla.
uh-huh.
We would have did a little. We did a partnership with the
Mm-hmm.
Anguilla Cancer Society as well.
Mm-hmm.
So and we continue to have applications coming in, but the droves, and we encourage everyone to sign up once those
Mm-hmm.
doors open for the application, and
Mm-hmm.
that's gonna happen soon for the new financial year as well. So we're gonna have those things are gonna be broadcast live to you, Hammer. So
Uh-huh.
you will definitely have first account information in regards to what Republic Bank is doing as a corporate social responsible partner in Angola.
Savings now, people, that's a big part of banking too. Savings, etc. Do you offer any savings clubs around here?
Yes, we do
Mm,
automatic savings plans for
mm,
customers who want to save for a goal in the future. We do that as well. So that is a feature and that is a service that we do offer here at the bank as well. So for those who are looking to save for any particular goal in
mm,
life,
mm,
whether it may you want to save a $50, maybe it be $20,
mm,
whatever you can afford, we have that
mm.
service for you.
It is there.
Definitely.
It's available here. Okay. Anything else about the bank we need to know? Because I mean, we're here now, and in another feature that the bank offers out there, products that you offer that you want to highlight to the people of Anguilla.
Well, I think we've touched on a lot of the products here
Hmm.
today,
The
Hammer.
popular ones.
Yeah, of course. We've
Uh,
touched on a lot of them, and I just want to encourage customers to,
in the in the
to
car program, in the car
oh,
cologne programs you have
of
out there
well,
right now. Yeah, that's a
you're,
big thing right now. Car new cars, new cars.
you're expert in Republic Bank, man.
No, I know
So
cars are wrong because we have new cars.
yes, we do.
Yeah.
Okay, so we do have a
Uh-huh.
program
Uh-huh.
for hybrid vehicles.
Hybrid vehicles.
We call it the Green Energy Program, right?
Mm-hmm.
Where um, we offer discounts on
Mm-hmm.
rates for solar products. Um, if the government of Anguilla would have recently launched where they do duty free on the hybrid vehicles and electric vehicles. We are offering special rates for those as well. So those customers who wants to come in and get a electric vehicle, I want to put solar panels on their house and whatnot. Those loans we do offer those services, and we do have special low rates for those services for those type of products as well.
Okay, and if I would need to get one of those green loans, what do I do? How should I go about that? Who should I see at the bank? Tell me.
Same process. You
Uh-huh.
can come in and speak to any one of our members, any staff member. You can speak to me. You can speak to Rose. She's our relationship officer. You come in. You provide the same information. You let us know what you want, what did you need, and we would, of course, your passport, job letter, proof of address. You provide the documentation. We would definitely assist you.
Okay, and these things happen quickly, I believe.
Very quickly, for sure.
Mhm.
Definitely.
All right, so folks, we're here, and anything, brothers, tell me.
In reference to
Uh-huh.
opening an account
Account.
at the bank, what are the requirements?
Passport, proof of income by way of job letter, proof of address by way of a utility bill, and that is basically what is required to open an account with the Republic Bank.
What about self-employed persons?
Self-employed persons, you provide the documentation in respect to your business license, along with of course, the enterprise report from Inland Revenue. You provide that in replace of the job letter, because you're self-employed. Once you show evidence that you have, you're illegally self-employed, you can go ahead and open the account with us.
Earlier, you made reference to two types of credit cards. What about a debit card?
The debit card, international debit card. That's basically, it's different. A debit card is different to a credit card. The debit card is basically the funds on your account that you use. You do your point of sale purchases, and once you open an account with Republic Bank, everybody gets a debit card automatically. And you're international once you're banking with Republic Bank.
If one is traveling, should they notify the bank that they're traveling in order to use their credit card or debit card?
That is a best practice. However, it is not deemed mandatory for you to let the bank know that you're traveling. Reason being, our cards, they're chip enabled. What I would do is encourage customers to, as much as they can, and I know it's not in every scenario, but as much as they can, utilize the PIN feature, because that's your personal identification number. Once that is used, generally the bank, would honor those transactions, of course, because that's your personal identification number. So I would encourage customers to utilize the PIN as often as possible. I know that there's cases where that feature is not available. However, to answer your question, it is a best practice, but it's not mandatory that you let the bank know that you're traveling.
For application of a credit card or debit card, what's the length of processing?
So you said the application for credit or a debit card. So credit card application is different. The debit card is not really so much of an application. Once you open an account, once you apply for an account, you get a debit card automatically with that account. For the credit card, like I said, the process takes about 2 to 3 weeks. I say card, and then when I say 2 to 3 weeks, I say card. That means card in hand. The application process may take probably just about a week, and then it takes about another week and a half for you to get the physical card in your hand, because it's shipped from overseas, our credit cards in particular. So that process can take about 2 to 3 weeks to be on the safe side to get the card in hand.
In terms of businesses in Anguilla, oftentimes you apply for an account. Just to figure back on one of the questions he asked earlier, how long does it take to open a savings account? One, two, a business account here in Anguilla.
So it takes about 20 to 30 minutes to open a personal account. About the same for a business account as well. So once you provide all the necessary documentation, it's basically a pretty simple process where we put your information into the system, and it literally takes about 20, 30 minutes to get that.
So no long wait, because I've heard of long waits elsewhere. Long waits sometimes a month, sometimes.
So there's no long. Okay, so we have a first come first serve basis, because the service team downstairs, they open accounts as well. If it's that you want to have a private appointment, you want to have a scheduled appointment, you want to just pop in and pop out, you reach out to us, we go ahead and we schedule you with one of our officers, and then you come in for the scheduled time, you open your account, you leave in 20-30 minutes, and you leave and you have your debit card in hand once you leave the bank.
Any services, packages for retired people? I know that's a question I would have
Well,
seen
we
earlier.
do have a seniors account where you get special benefits
Mhm,
in terms of the fees associated with the account.
mhm.
Of course, we can. Yes, we do have those seniors accounts, so we do have those special accounts for those customers.
At what age does one qualify to be a senior?
60 years of
60
age.
years old, yeah, 60 years senior. A 60-year senior, though, you hear that?
Still young,
A,
still young.
a young, a young senior, a young senior. Look at that.
60 years of
All
age.
right,
Yes,
okay.
yes, yes.
So yes, so again, the bank is open from 8 a.m. to what, to 4,
8 a.m. to 2
p.m.
p.m.
Yeah.
Monday to Thursday,
Uh,
8 a.m. to 4 p.m. on Fridays.
yes, sir. And I know people love to be lots of personalized service at these banks. They'll come here. You just mentioned them come to see anyone, but any particular names you can share with the people who are listening and viewing now? Because I mean, when they come to the bank, I want to come to Darren. I want to come to somebody. I know you have a list of persons who are downstairs who take care of this, right?
Well, we
Yeah,
do
yeah,
have the customer service
yeah,
area. We have Denica,
yeah,
you have Sharian,
yeah.
you have Tajanique. In,
Mm-hmm,
in my department, you have me. Of course,
mm-hmm,
I run to assist anybody that comes into the branch.
mm-hmm,
And then you have Rosa Edakati, who is our relationship officer. We
mm-hmm,
have Carla Darrow, who
mm-hmm.
is our personal banking officer. Those I can say would be the point of contact when you come in. If you're looking to get a product, a account, a credit card, a loan, once you meet with us,
Mm-hmm.
you will definitely get the product that you need.
Okay, and the tagline for the bank, the bank tagline is Republic Bank.
We are here to serve you.
Here to
We are
serve
here
you.
for you.
Here to serve you. All right. Anything else, brothers? You wish to ask anything? That's it.
We
We're good.
good.
Okay. Well, that's it, folks. That just concludes our road show here, being brought to you by the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank, and as part of their Financial Information Month of activities, and the Republic Bank. We were speaking to Darren Hamilton. Darren, you are the again. You are the
I am the personal
yeah.
banking manager,
Mhm.
Republic Bank Anguilla.
Thank you for your time, sir. Wish you all the best. Okay.
Thank you so